Sweetie, what are you? What are you doing up? You should be going to bed. It's late. You should be sleeping. Well, so you can't sleep. It's probably all that coffee that you took. And now you have a hard time sleeping. Don't worry, sweetheart. Here, come to bed. Come to bed and lie down with me. Good. Come closer. Sweetie, tell me. Tell me why you can't sleep. I'm curious. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me tell you something, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, the reason why is that people are jealous of you, okay? People are jealous of your beauty. They are, you know. Guys could be mean to you because you don't give them a chance because you're taken. And girls are gonna be mean to you because you're just beautiful and they wish they were you, okay? So, just to let you know, like, you're just amazing and everyone's jealous. I mean, I'm serious, you're super beautiful. I mean, every time you walk out in public, everyone's just staring at you. All the guys are staring at you, then even girls. And then they look at me and they're like, yo, how did a guy like me get a girl like you? You know? I'm serious, sweetie. It happens all the time. Like, I don't think you understand how much it happens. I mean, for example, the other day, okay, when we were at the restaurant and the waiter came up to us, and this is when you're at the bathroom, right? You were long gone. So the waiter came up to me, not us, I don't know, I'm tripping balls here. I'm so tired, babe. But he was like, whoa, bro, how'd you get a girl like that? You know, she's so hot. And I was like, by not being myself, you know? So, I think it's that everyone's just hating, and just let the haters hate, you know? You're perfect just the way you are, so you don't have to worry about anything. And just, you know, you're smart and you're pretty, so don't worry. Sweetie, you have a hard time sleeping, huh? No. I'm sorry, sweetie. Just don't think about it, okay? You don't need to think about it too much. I'm serious. You know, when I first saw you, I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. You were absolutely gorgeous. I was like really shocked on how beautiful you are. You know, I was so nervous to come up and talk to you when I first saw you. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I did. I was terrified. I was terrified of you. But I knew. And I knew I had to come up and talk to you. So I mustered up the courage to walk to you. And as I was walking, my palms were so sweaty. My heart was racing. And then I came up to you and I said hi. and I do remember the look that you gave me when I came up and said hi to you the first time. You gave me this disgusting look, like, how dare I come up to you and talk to you? I'm just kidding. I think you were shocked too, because I was shocked and you were shocked. We were both shocked. But you know, I was really nervous talking to you, and as I was making small talk, you know, I didn't even know what I was saying. I was just saying stuff just to say stuff, I think. So I'm glad that I asked you out, and I'm glad that you said yes, because I think that was one of the most happiest moments of my life. Okay, sweetie. Alright. You really need to go to bed, okay, my little pookie stick? Okay, my little sweet princess, okay? It's getting late. And you really need to wake up early tomorrow, so, okay? Alright. Good night, my little pumpkin bear. Good night, my little Fuki. Good night, my little princess monkey. Good night, my little gorilla. Good night, my little kangaroo, okay? Okay, I love you so much, okay? Good night. Sweetie. You're not sleeping. You're hungry. I mean, we got some stuff in the freezer. Last time I checked, we had like lasagna, pasta, Alfredo. Yeah, these burrito things called chimichangas, taquitos. Got these frozen hamburgers. We also have frozen pizza. We have ice cubes, and we have ice cream. We have like Rocky Road, chocolate, matcha. Anything you want, sweetheart. What would you like? Great choice. You want the lasagna. Okay, one lasagna coming up, okay? I'll be back with the lasagna, okay? Give me 1 second. Sweet, I got you your food, okay? Here you go. Here you go, good. Eat up, okay? Let's cuddle, baby. Let's cuddle while you eat.